I would like to welcome Paul Olieslager from KPMG. Paul, can you come on stage?
Thank you, Wouter.
Welcome.
Thanks for having me.
Yeah, it's great to have you with us.
Yes.
You did some hard work again this year.
Yeah, I think we and the team from KPMG and from all of our members across the globe, including all ecosystems and global PropTech, of course, we've worked hard on launching our 6th annual International Real Estate Innovations Overview. And we're happy to give you the sneak preview and hand you out the first actual edition.
The printed edition.
The printed edition, so here we go.
Thank you very much. We don't make many of these printed editions because it's too much paper. So it will be available online, I guess.
Yes, of course it will be available online. We're planning to launch actually within the next few days. So keep an eye out on all of our channels as well as your channel, of course.
Yeah.
And we'll give you a notification when you are able to download the 6th edition.
Cool.
We're very happy that we've put it together this year again.
Cool. I would like to give you the stage for 5 minutes so you can explain a little bit more what you guys did, and then I will come back.
Sure. Thank you. Well, guys, I'm very happy to be here today. First of all, I would like to explain a little bit on what the Real Estate Innovations Overview is, for those who don't know it. The Real Estate Innovations Overview, we've published it for 6 years now. It's an overview with with real estate innovations across the globe that we are hoping to inspire real estate professionals across the globe. This year, we have a record of over 740 innovations across many countries around the world. As you can expect from us from each of the previous years, we've divided them into 9 categories and 40 fields of expertise. This helps professionals to perfectly select the innovations that are relevant for them. For example, if you're an investor, you've got different innovations that are relevant for you as compared to when you are a property manager, for example. What we've done this year is we've made some more insights, for example, on sustainability. We've seen that sustainability has gained much momentum across the past few years. And we've made insights in how innovation can help focusing more on sustainability, which is a necessity for the coming years and decades. We've also made a really nice insight on how would a traditional Amsterdam canal house would look like in the 21st century when making use of the innovations named in this overview. Another real nice insight that we've added together with our partners and together with Wouter, but also with the member firms across the globe, is that we've added for each of the 9 categories insights in what is the business challenge that you have for each category, what are the solutions named in this overview, and most importantly, what value does it bring to use these innovations within companies. For example, if you have platforms to connect, the main benefits for platforms to connect to use for real estate professionals are to seamlessly integrate supply and demand, to have great customer connection, and to gain real-time insights, which provides real value to companies. We think that this is a really nice interview for all of you professionals to help work on innovation. And I would like to ask you all to have a look at the innovations overview as soon as it goes live. Maybe as a last note, Wouter, if we look at the pandemic of last year, which is actually currently going on still, it shows that even in the real estate and construction industry, there's a great need for agility. And we think that awareness for innovation helps companies in our sector to stay agile. We hope that this real estate innovation overview inspires and it provides insights in the innovations possible. And we also hope that this overview helps innovation to become more and more important within our industry. So that's it, guys. I would like to say stay tuned for the next couple of days, and as soon as we go live, you will see it on all of our channels. And as a last note, I would like to thank Wouter for all the contribution of this overview, all the innovations that are, many of the innovations mentioned in our overview have a connection with your ecosystem, of course. And I would like also to thank all the teams, the hardworking team from the Netherlands, but also all of the member firms, and of course, all of the innovations named that have contributed to this innovations overview.
Yeah, and there are a lot, like Paul said, 740 plus, and you can see them here, but it's a nice book. So I looked into it already a little bit. So I think it's amazing. So we started, well, 5 years ago, it's 6th edition right now.
Yeah.
What was it back then? The number of innovations?
I think we started with around 100, 150 innovations.
Cool.
And I think what the main change is between 5 years ago and now, and I think an ecosystem such as Global PropTech has helped tremendously, is that the momentum on innovation has gained. So many companies now understand they have to work on innovation to stay relevant now and in the future. And I think this overview also shows that.
And how do you see real estate adapting that new technology or start working together with these kind of solutions that are in there here? Are they more open to find connections with those PropTech solutions?
I think it's a good question, actually. I think a lot of companies are actually open to innovation, but they also struggle how to connect with the right partners.
Yeah.
And it's essential. I think with innovation, it's also important to try. To see what works and what doesn't work. The most important one is to be inspired and then see what opportunities innovation can bring for your company and how it can contribute to more value for your company.
What kind of questions do you like the most to advise, like the big real estate players? What kind of questions should they ask you to start helping?
I think an important one is how to accelerate innovation within the company. So it's not only necessarily about the innovations itself, it's about creating a culture that helps driving innovation.
Okay.
Accelerating innovation. It means that people understand that innovation is a key topic within the company, that there's room for bringing up ideas, there's room for partnering with innovative companies, external from the company, and to go along with these innovation ideas.
Yeah. Well, cool. Well, I think we're still just on a starting point. We started it a couple of years ago, but we still need to do a lot more in real estate. And like you said, energy consumption, energy savings, net zero buildings. The topics are getting more and more important, and everybody is talking about it. But now we need to start doing. The solutions are there. Let's go.
Yeah, the solutions are there. So I would just like to invite you to just go partner and innovate.
Cool. Well, let's follow Paul on LinkedIn, KPMG on LinkedIn. They will announce this overview very soon, so you can download it. And I hope you like it all. If you're not in this book, well, email Paul or me, and we will get you in there for the next year's overview probably.
Just let us know, and we'll make sure that we arrange what we can do. Thank you very much.
Cool. Thank you very much, Paul.
Have a great Innovation Day today.
Thank you.
Bye.